SBA coming up or something?
Yeah.
The girl you can go and party with me later. Don't know if you SBA them and go on a nice good party later to have some fun.
We can't do that.
Girl, stop going to look at your ear nice and something, put on something nice. You
Me
have to
here.
close them and you not wear them.
Yes, me have clothes and now wear them. Me here nice, but me cannot go. Me have something to deal with.
Girl, let your
This
hair
year
down.
come
You're too
first.
tucked up sometimes, sis.
You can't go and go with a friend them. Me not
No,
come.
you know me not like the bag of friend business. I'm a sister more and go with you. Put on something nice, something good, man.
We'll find a man and go with her. You alone go on because me not coming.
The man I work overtime tonight. Why you come with me, please?
Me can't come here something to deal with. Me SBA have to finish. And next week it due.
I say education not important, but 1 hour, 1 hour party with me, Brittany.
No. Me not gonna party. 1 hour and then party sweet. Me no want to live. Me not do
It's
that.
boring stuff. You can't bother with you. You get
No,
some
you
time
can't,
to
but
think
me no,
about
you
it.
can't bother with me.
Too boring, man. You get some time to think about it.
So you got life. Everybody have fun.
Okay, I'm gonna go. Yes, but the door, I'm never
Oh, sis, come here. I'm different to something to you from.
Where you want to talk one more? You never found me the fan it, you know.
Want something,
The book thing in the fan.
want something come up at school, an opportunity, like, where you can get to go overseas, in my class, right? Somebody that asked us if I would have want to join my class and you could have get to know more about it, something, so you can get to go overseas. Yeah, no.
Girl, where's the girl? Class.
No,
Girl,
me
kill me, girl, stop. Girl, you can't look for me and tell me about class.
But I want opportunity I get to go overseas and I want it.
So girl, I can't always get visa. Girl, you know me stay on road my thing there. The streets is calling, baby. Don't you get the phone ringing? It is. Girl, me I go around and say I can't find a nice good man to love me. I can or something. Because them say I don't know who you love, you know.
Look here, now,
you
look
have to
here.
work with.
You have to be independent nowadays. I can't depend on a man because a man will fail you if you never know that.
Yeah, but at least I have ambition and you know, I have business mindset and so. Girl.
Business mindset, but I not put it to use.
Girl, you know, I still open up my area, my clothes store or something.
When?
Something like you want to
Where you
put on
gonna
the
use
thing.
that? Where you gonna use that up in up here?
So
Man
Brittany-
money?
No, but
Use your own money and do it. Look at
I
work.
don't learn to learn how to can't use that in the street. I'm learning to keep a man too, so something have to work. Something have to work. I don't have a good education already. I'm alright with them. I want.
Yeah, worse it
I'm
out.
comfortable with me. When I stay like you, uncomfortable, you just want to grow.
Me not uncomfortable with America. Me uncomfortable when I stop it a long time. Me not uncomfortable.
Girl, I'm alright. I have enough education. I'm gonna look at man. Because I'm gonna go on the road right now and book one top man or something. You know,
Yeah,
I do book a top boy. Done it. So girl.
Yeah, I done
I'm
it.
gonna put on my car wait and
Yeah.
hear her grow. So girl, what kind of book?
Alright,
I don't get pink. Bye, sissy boo.
all road rat. Me I look nerd. Me stay in the yard. Road bug. Let me get it.
John, oh, yeah, flash it up.
Hello.
Oh, God, you're looking good. Stop letting me talk to you. I'm getting man.
Stop. Married with the stop.
Listen to me, man. Don't worry, man. I'm in name. You know what I mean?
What's your name?
Oh, they call me Jackson.
Jackson.
Yeah, because my father named Ricky Jackson, and the man who owned the plaza in the Niggle town and the hotels, Coral Seas and them places. A nice hotel and he named Golden Nugget now. You can go over there to relax. Per night, 10 grand or so.
Oh.
Yeah, man, them places are good. And my father run it still, you know. We have money, you know, dollars. No matter how much you get, you know. Money did it.
You have money.
I like you, you know, but...
Man, money alone and everything. You have a good personality.
Of course, I have a... I'm telling you, my personality, them are good. Like, background check. I'm not a thief. I'm not a gunman. I'm not a rapist. I'm not a beggar. I'm not a liar.
You sure you're not a liar?
No, man.
Most people tell lie. Even me myself tell look a lie, but me not tell no strong lie.
Everybody have to tell a little lie, yes, but...
So you know, just tell me say no lie. So we catch you.
No, listen, no, everybody have to tell a little lie. Because you know, sometimes pastor come at church, man, so they hear them a preach and tell about God that come, and God that come tomorrow. Which part him see God a come? God come every day.
Mm-hmm.
Every day God pass through, but some people don't know. When God come, God take when he take and gone.
Mm-hmm. They miss a call.
Right. So if you don't catch a call this time, you catch it tomorrow. If you don't catch it tomorrow, you catch it another time.
Mm-hmm.
God always comes through every day. So you see, every time you go to church and pass, I pray, but God is coming. God is coming for the earth. Which part, sister, God pass much time? Me say if God had the human being, God backs him down enough time to tap the life on him.
Oh, my name is Chosen, Mr. Jackson.
Chosen?
Nice to meet
Like how
you.
I'm chosen you to be my wife.
Are you single?
Well, in times like this, I'm single, yes. And I'm looking for a wife to cook me some nice dinner.
I can't cook, so I know your work, so I can't cook.
But by the by the truth, living God, say I wait to a man's stomach is cooking.
No, that's why you must can cook for yourself, so you have to know your way to your own stomach. But I need to wait to your stomach, I need to wait to your heart.
Well, I need enough people in my heart, and to like truth, I'm afraid to get again. I rather get to know you more first, because it's when you take up your heart, you people, all them do I put a knife in
No,
it.
I just want you just give me it, so we can take the time out to get to learn each other and see, if we can work
So
together.
may I ask you a question, so you single?
Of course, I'm single.
As in single.
I'm single. I don't have nobody to come bother you and bother you up and something. Single. I want one good man though. That is why I'm single, because I don't want to settle. I'm not willing to settle.
Alright, I like this one a lot, because in life like this, you have females, so they're single, yes, when you go out them yard.
You can call me anytime, you can come to my yard anytime. As long as we're there, you can come anytime. But
as long as we're there,
as in, as in me and you, when we reach on that level, if you're my man, you're free to come by, drop by anytime. You can have a key, anything. I don't have anything to hide.
I like this one a
Yeah.
lot, because you see, one time, let me tell you, one girl invite me in yard, and when me knock on it, cook me whole chicken, one whole chicken, and when we reach out, what I don't know what to chop off to them. Come to the driver. Come to the house, you can't get no woman today, You want to.
I'm happy chop now. You see, they're not spontaneous, and I like that.
No, man. Happy chop now might drop and I reach a future. But you hear me saying, me now, cook a whole lot of chicken, because it's nice and everything. I say, you the future this time. Fix it up now with every spice we could have find in the store.
Yeah.
Neat up it, look like this, look like that. And turn it up on the tongue.
Yeah.
And put it in there, make it go and bake.
Yeah.
So it be nice and smelly, man. And me have a teeth off piece of the leg.
Yeah.
So it smell good.
That's
I'm wrap up it nice when it cool down, man, as I give with a bottle of champagne. And go and the girl do away and me knocks up. Me all here, I hold that to be a gun crank up.
Jaja.
You know me?
See the road that me try to figure out what go on.
Me not even know which bad boy I'm going to go to, but me, I fought. You see a boy run, and you can't show him run. You can't show him run. You can't show him run. And when we reach out, one whole man lap me jump down in there, so. The fear.
Oh, God.
Never.
You
So
really hear that? Wicked.
Me not like one woman here.
No.
So if that can happen.
No, I just be my sister alone up there.
Oh,
my
good.
sister go to school, she in a college and something, and she study. Yeah, my sister go to school, but I don't have nobody.
And one thing with them, I road are busy doing it. People
Very,
don't watch.
very busy.
Some of them, they not want to go down
They
there.
work, though, Jackson, you work.
Alright, take me number.
Before I give my number, I want if I work as me work, I want one man, and we can support each other.
You know what that woman is? Just take me number. 363 69
Me remember, I have good memory. 36369
16.
3636916 Jackson. I got you.
Yeah, man.
3636916
You know your era code,
876.
Alright,
I'll give you
later.
a call and we'll take it from there.
Oh, okay, sexy. Waggy, let me see. Waggy. Lord of God. Rasta don't look at me, woman, you know. Oh,
Yeah, me done tell you, come back home.
I can't sleep on him there.
No, you me there away upon.
Oh,
The
girl,
same somebody that
excited.
the same somebody that talk to you about when time I did leave out about his school and his class and it's about overseas.
Yeah, you come back with that again, Brittany.
And about here again, remember saying no. Remember say them alright. Remember say generation.
Yo.
We can remember saying that's something now with family, right? Like money passed down from generation to generation.
Money in
The
our
richness,
family, yes.
right? You know, say if you have education for that, right?
Mm-hmm.
In order to get the money. You know what, auntie?
But Brittany, Mr. Sam, I don't have no education. What more you want to try? Boy.
You don't understand.
Brittany,
You don't understand.
I understand the money part. When I tell you this, I can't find a rich man to give me money. I'm nice and look
Look
good,
here.
man. Love me.
You come and chat about
Me not no families. Me not no family sorry for me. You are a bright one. Stick to your book. Then me stick to the man taking.
Yeah.
And the man hustling. Me I tell you that now. Work out with my sister girl. Me can't read that right.
It's best you take a family money more than take man money. Because man, what up in nice here, man? You must know. What video say me now, mother say me?
Brittany, stop. Girl, you don't know what I'm going. Me just come on the road. Me tell you what.
You have rich man. You every day.
That's
you
how we're
come.
lucky, you know, that come down in my family. So we're lucky.
Every day you come and chat, boy, you have money, you
Me
still have
meet a man. Stop.
your man,
stop,
then
me
you
tell
can
you
buy
what
your
I
one
want.
bicycle for ride, go look for them or what.
Listen, my man buy me a car. Member good. You live to see it.
Roll if you see.
My man not buy me one car.
When me get the family money, we pass on from generation to generation, you go see it. You go walk for the time
Yeah,
I
I'm
go
happy
flash
for
you
you,
see.
sister, but the brain part, like the bookwork part, is just not for me, sis. It's for you. That's not my thing.
What you mean enough for you?
It's
You
just
not
for
try.
me. But anyways, girl, let me meet the rich man. What the fuck? No, I'm cuss, girl. No, I'm cuss, girl. I'm more like,
They must
girl.
have to you, yeah, man.
Girl, me meet a nice man.
Every day you meet nice
No,
man.
I'm trying to meet girl.
And next day you and them left.
No, girl, someone I'm not going away.
You not
You
gonna
can say me like him for food to the girl I talk to him live in last words.
You hear that
Boy,
before?
dumb struck. Brittany, look back on me and talk to your girl. The man father own Ricky Jackson Plaza. What's the beach? What you mean? I reach out on the girl, rich and rich. This girl don't know what
You
girl.
reach out and you're gonna still
I'm
walk
Ricky
foot.
Jackson's son. I'm for the walk foot girl. Big old BM.
Me not believe you,
Put
you
up on
know.
my foot. God.
Me not believe you because every day you come
When
and
the
chat with
money
me
a
fair
shine
rich man,
for
me
me.
fair rich man.
When the money
Yes.
is shine for me, you believe my Brittany. I said the boy nice.
When time I see it, me we believe it, but you know me can't believe nothing what you say.
We're looking girl, I tell you, so you can't say boy like me. You have a little ratings to me, so.
Have a liquor rating, see you. But that's what I tell you, only have put on.
No,
I
sir.
make level.
Girl, I tell you, so the man with me on a different level, girl. I can't see.
You just meet him and you meet him and read a
Because I can feel it and I can tell, I could read his energy.
read the energy.
Yes,
Hello,
the boy
man
like
full
me.
of sweet mouth, you hear?
And I see what that's
Man, we make a feel they say they don't want you, they don't want you. A man
The
that.
boy
Remember
want
me
me.
tell you.
The boy want me and I'm not being delusional.
the boy want
me.
you?
Yeah, he want me. I'm wantable. Just like how
Wantable.
just like how your mind, you can learn things, your mind learnable. Me wantable. The boy want me. And I'm start
If you
spending
say
dirty
so.
money for me, I go see it.
When time I see it, me
You
see
see,
everything good
boy
still.
want me.
One day thing.
But tell you, that's the thing too. You hear them say, I know who love you, you know? I'm sorry, I know who you love and who love you. And I can see to you. See that boy there?
So you're still
No,
not
it's
happy
fine.
relationship?
No, I'm not unhappy when I spend money for me. I can't happy when I can buy everything I want. Me have to go back to school if I want. What do you mean? I'm happy with her.
All you care about the money, yeah, man. No, but then I'm better say nothing more
Brittany,
about this.
Brittany, yeah, piss me off. Brittany, study. Yeah, Brittany.
Are you fi study
Yeah,
and come
you
to
make me
my
a lot.
class?
Yeah, you make me a lot of talk for you.
Go
Brittany.
overseas.
But say the man like me, why you don't get more?
Alright.
Why you don't get this?
Alright, come on,
like
alright.
a rich man like me.
never-
What?
Look here, no, alright, come on, my class. Alright,
Me
come
don't
on, my
mind
class.
about. Me don't mind about.
Look here, come on, my class. When I get you with that, they'll go overseas. You can't find a rich man overseas then.
Sis knows this like me and tell you. Me not like the school and the heap of studying.
But me not want if me go get
Sis
that
me
benefit
even like
out
me. Me
here.
too ignorant for you, but like me and tell you show you.
Oh, me don't want if me go get you with that, if you go overseas, me left you out here and then if you go take my money, man want to kill you and
No
want
man
to
now want try to kill me right now. You don't even know them man the thing them man the thing set different. Them man they can't get me a visa.
You come
So
and
when
go
you
to
go
them
away,
and them back
them me I
down,
tell them I don't know if I don't know the people that make I know them thing come down. Girl, me I tell you, me can't get all visa them visa link. Me have me can't just go blow and put my finger on a visa.
Yeah,
Me can't get visa for you too.
flip a finger
I
make it
can't
go on
stop
for
going
yourself.
school
No,
and
make
go
it
and find go work.
no, make it go on, make it go on for you.
Stop it, man.
I want to work my honest spread. I don't want a man money. Can't talk to you. Time. Jesus, current gone. Call this one. Hello?
Hello, wonderful. Good day.
Electrician, this is right?
Yes, this is the JPS company. How can I assist you, please?
Current just gone over me yard. Would I like if I can come fix it for me, please? You know we are talked, right?
Yeah, you sound like one of my regular customers. Is this Brett?
Yes, Brett.
Oh, wonderful, wonderful. What do you say is going on?
Current it just chip out, like current gone or something.
Oh. So I'll come over. When do you want me to come over and come check it out?
But I like if I could have come now because I really like the hotness and stuff, and I would like to turn on the fan and so.
Okay, I'm gonna come over and take you out the hotness so you can cool down and be cool, okay?
Okay.
Yes, I'm on my way.
Alright.
Bye bye for now.
Who's somebody I talk to? Gosh.
Yes, hello?
Oh, hello.
Where's that man?
No, I just come out here and
I got to get this taken care of.
then me see the light start blink and then me see the cut out and then
This is the switch, right?
Yes.
Okay. Where's the breaker?
See right over there, so.
Sure, no. Bam. Alright, I can't see if I come from. I can see that the switch is from here. Quick time, we can't fix that, man. Quick time. Quick time.
So you're going so far?
That's simple, but just find out, Max, man. That's simple one sheet, that, man. But get my glasses and this if you don't get shock or something, you know. Put on my glasses and you know, get the thing started out the real way, as he pray.
Really, alright.
See that? I just two things I touch there, so because I say there's a glitch and the next part kind of rub. So once you just switch that this and put on that.
Which one of them is switch? Which one of them? The one where I'm going to put a mark?
The lower one to your left right corner. Right there, so.
Left right corner?
I saw them set up the socket them, the lower one to the left right corner. You have to just set up. And set it up and this is kind of have one like a shaking knife. You have to just rope straps here and don't wait. You know that? Look. No problem. Okay. Kind of done work now.
Alright then, so how much?
10,000.
What?
10,000.
We just gone to do some of this and just flip it.
Do you know how much to put on these glasses and work? Girl, don't even go there. 10,000. I could have get shocked if I don't have my protector.
I can't 10,000 coming and pay that.
You know how much my protector? Look at this. This make current can't shock you. Yeah. And this make you see through the current wire them and all that. You know how much money for them are some here? Don't even go there. 10,000. Do you know that this was 15,000 and I even drop it to 10? 10,000. I came all the way here. What's wrong with you? Show this take coin phone to him. Cheap people, man.
Here, 10,000. So I come and grab it from me like that. So look here, me not call about from over here, you know.
It's 15. If I don't have my equipment, I could get shocked. I could
So you come and grab the money like that, don't do that.
You're being dirty, you're being rude.
You asked for 10 grand, me give you 10 grand. What your problem?
It was 15 and I cut it down and you're still being dirty.
I'm 10 grand. I asked me for first, I never said 15.
Listen. Next time you're in dark, you know how much money to take you out of dark?
Next time, they won't be. Next time, I come and I'll call them back.
You think this money is for me?
And?
Huh?
A food then.
This is for the company.
Company?
Okay?
Company?
If it was for me, I'd throw it back in your face. Be cool.
Then throw it back in my face then.
Listen. Relax.
Are you for relax?
Be cool.
Don't argue me in my house, please. Go on.
No, I would never do that.
Sir, go on.
I would never do that.
Sir, bye.
Have a good day.
Next time I make a phone call, me don't want them send you.
The slippers, they're nice though.
Make them steal.
Alright.
May take and give one in your face too.
What's wrong with that?
And that. And you too. From your school to feel like I'm afraid that you don't do it. Outside. About 10 grand.
Ready? Nice.
Right.
Oi. The call walk past me like you don't know me.
Well, I want such a material.
Hey. You have 5 grand to give me.
5 grand for?
Because me come out here to study and as me sit down, me see light start blinking light gone. So me call the person to come fix the light and a 10 grand in charge me. Go to go touch 2 little thing and chat about right, left corner, whatsoever.
Girl, I'm gonna say the breaker they don't turn on. Why like that? The flicker?
It turn on, it like they come out and the light it turn on already. Feel one time I feel like say I bulb did blow, but
so it started flickering?
I don't know if it's about a 10 grand man. A 10 grand man charge me that me a chat about. Me not chat about what to the light to fix already.
So yeah, say want me to get money outside?
Yeah, if you go call one of your man, then we say have money and make them give 5 grand to give me back. I mean, when I hear say you don't have no money.
I just get 100 grand and get money out there. Because I want to take my thing forward, so. Later, I check you. Me give
Go and get the 100
me just
and
give back
give
the
me
10
5
grand. No, me just give back the 10 grand. I can't take my
Don't come post for me,
No, because I'm going to say I pick for me and this man something.
Not
Listen to me.
because
I don't have anything
of
against you studying, but studying is not for me. I have me up through me down and take the something come out of class. Stop it.
Not because you have man. That simple means say, if you come and rub it in my face like that, you have a man have. You not have rub it in my face like that.
Okay,
Yeah, man can't give money, me not no man think
no, I'm call my man because you pass the place with me.
Me not pass the place, I tell you the truth, 5 grand. Up front with the money I go down.
I ain't pretty shut up because they piss me off now because through the man
Hello.
you take be a book. Hello?
What
Yeah.
babes?
Me there, what me, alright?
Yeah, man, they are cool out in the AC. Yeah,
Wait up by hotel?
yeah, go and do some documents. I want my problem, you know.
There, I'm want to do some stuff, baby.
Some money.
Some stuff come up here, I'm want to do some stuff, you know? I always have to get stuff done or whatever.
What you call money? Like on 2,000?
2,000 US, yes.
No, man. You think of foreign with them, you're talking about Jamaican.
$2,000?
Yeah, Jamaican.
100,000. 100,000 Jamaican or so, babe. You catch cold?
Hold on.
You catch cold coronavirus?
Hold on. No, man.
But she a laugh about. It's a girl, yeah.
Yeah, man, rich you do.
No.
Babe, wait.
No,
Give
but
my man
yeah.
have money, dog. Baby have money, don't?
Yeah, me have money, but the money, you know what?
Babe, want $100,000.
We can-
Pay some bills on the supermarket and see like gone. Me have to pay current bill. Me and my sister.
How much I bill?
pay. A bill come up to $50,000 plus no more and $20,000 for go buy makeup and buy some stuff supermarket.
Yeah, you know, so we have 5 grand per me card, you know, but I'll transfer it to you.
If lie was a person, if you knew that they tap
5 grand, yeah?
$5,000?
But you have to come fit, you know. Cause you know more some of that still, you know.
Come on.
Some of the good old apple where Adam never do it, Adam will eat it, but we not eat it.
Just don't ask if you're hungry, but anyways.
How y'all laugh? Why y'all laugh? How would I say to you? Eh? I want to listen up on the phone make you have a laugh.
No, babe, it's just that, you know, sometimes you be so funny. Like, alright, my son come link you.
You know,
I put my extra zero on the side there.
We feel like man, I text in the car, every minute me I hear whoop.
No, you know, they just said I send a message on something that you hear going on Facebook notification and stuff. But put one X 0 pound of $5,000 a year.
I want me to find that out. The money when we get no release yet.
But no, your name bigger road, so borrow one look at change for one of your friend because them money.
No, I don't borrow. I tell you already. I don't beg and I don't borrow. And I don't lie. I tell you the truth. I have
Sure,
$50
you come
million.
free, but when you start
but you have
out,
to wait.
then they will need a piece of it.
Yeah, me I want to be blue pills, so me I wait for you to make it get too hard.
What you say?
Yeah, man.
Blue pill?
Yeah.
Alright, baby.
I find that's you know, man. You have to work it till it's done.
What do you mean by that? Man, I think you love me or something?
I love you, baby. I love you. I was just overreacting.
Come on, 5 1 on, girl.
What do you mean by that, girl?
Oh, your sister did it.
Alright, babe, later. Alright, babe.
Alright,
Love
you.
Love you too, babe. My man love me.
Okay.
Babe.
She
Alright,
jealous,
babe.
yeah?
Very jealous, babe.
You
Alright.
can't
Yeah.
talk, but you can't show you.
Now show me. Treat me good.
That come like a sell everybody because you chat about you man say you might take blue pill for your feel for 5 grand. No, sir. As much work you have to go to for that for 5 grand there.
Girl, first of all, the man say, "Mo, give me $500,000, but for no
The
make
man never tell her that, and that me hear on the phone. Me never hear that.
Girl, the man talk what was a zero there, but because him go low on a tone, and I hear what man say. There were other zeros that was added to it. A girl a fool. Girl a laugh at me. Girl, I take me thing for joke.
Me not take a thing for joke.
The man love me. The man say him kind of in a little difficulty now. But he won't give me a small change. I'm gonna go for the small change and give him money. And then when him get them big money, of course.
But what you have to go work like
there.
there? Yeah, me tapping eyes.
You know about what kind of work?
If you go work day and night for the 5
Make sure
grand
say you
there.
work day and night and study and come out with something good to mommy can proud of you. Don't worry about me.
At least you're proud of but you're not proud of you if you're selling
You know,
your body if you're getting
girl, me
money.
I sell my body, girl.
Obviously.
Girl, me can sell this.
Then
You
how
know,
are you
see,
like?
yeah.
You have come out here and give the man look
Me take
push
shot and give.
for 5 grand.
You buy
For 5 grand.
you
That's
buy-
what
you
cheap,
buy
man.
no, you buy your book them done.
You say
And
a
you
man.
have your book them done.
You say a man rich
Okay.
and a 5 grand man give for your push.
Brittany, I have my phone, I buy your phone and I have it with me done.
But a push no worth more than 5
No,
grand.
but
That's
a
why
man
not raise
can. No
money.
boy can buy this because he can't carry it with him. No.
See, them man that would have raised him money. They tell him about
Yeah, they go back on the road. No,
That's sure say your push. Your push no good.
him.
Your push no good, man.
The suit. And they said this off.
And not this what I true because you ask him man to put an next 0 and the man not put him
But
money.
the man know I say want him see if him have money and know him have money, but sometimes people have the people.
He have you know what give man. He want good stuff, he must can't
But the
spend
man probably
money.
a test me girl.
The man want good stuff, so he must can upfront with good money or go down in a hole. Simple.
Girl, don't worry about me and my goodness.
Go on with the goodness.
What gonna go to him, he can go to somebody else. Don't worry yourself.
Hope you can go to somebody else to go on.
Make sure say you find a husband.
Don't worry yourself about
Make
that.
sure say you find a husband. You don't worry about me.
Me not fling my body out before me find
Me
my
not fling
husband.
my body out about either Brittany or Grace.
Because me not wait for me find my man. So what? Me not want you in a girl because you fling your body all about.
And that's why me you argue in an argument because I say you stay too judgmental.
I'm not
You're
judgmental.
judgmental. Come in and judge your book them and look why would it broke your heart other day whenever once yeah, he make you a virgin and say bye.
Girl, bye. Look here. Me tapping eyes here, man. At least one boy broke me heart, but how much buck yours? Girl, don't talk to me, you hear? Don't talk to me.
Whatever, man.
That can't hurt me. That can't jerk me. Don't do it. Feisty. Think about the hard, but I'm not going to put a problem on me. Don't do it. Feisty.
One minute, come out there, son, man. Come out there, son, man. Yeah, shave it.
Alright.
So you look good. Let's show
Thank
empty
you.
bucket. Let's show empty bucket.
Okay, thank you.
We can't buy you one. Like I make you so sexy. They look like them sexy kangle. You ever see them sexy kangle where them have in a repeat them house? So you look. Be a reindeer and something.
Thank you. What's your name? I didn't get your name.
You know what? Where you smile sweet. That you remember me one name to tell you. Yes, you want to know my name?
Yes.
You can on the top of the link, you see it?
Okay.
I have all I link them around here. Get all them pretty chain now. Sexy something, you know.
Okay, cool.
Just want to know if we can get to know you more.
So how you want to get to know me? You want to know my name?
My name alone more know. More know everything. More know your name, your foot size, your panty size, breast size, every type of size.
My name is Chosen, by the way.
Chosen,
You
wow.
live around here?
Wow. Chosen. Right now today name taken. Right now I want to be mine. Can't touch you?
No.
Yeah,
Not
yeah.
yet. Maybe if you work hard enough.
Nah, man, free, man. Yeah, man, I come from around here, man. And I live on Pan Lane on the so.
So, Mr. Coplink, you're single?
You single? Yeah. I'm single right now, you know.
Just come out of a relationship.
Interesting. Just come out of a relationship.
I look for a minute.
Ah, like mosquito or something bite you. I don't know.
So mosquito can't bite man. No mosquito in my house, man. You know, say something run for a minute in my house.
Cockroach? That mean must
Cockroach can't come in my house. You're bright.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm just trying to figure out which insect could do that type of damage.
A bees bite me on my neck.
Bees?
Yeah.
Bees sting?
Your friends see me and see money in a baby. Look.
I'm not like I look clean, I'm like I look good, like I'm my type of guy, I'm not like, but...
I want to man park up a machine on the other side garage. And get me thing wash and clean, is it? No man, which icky man? How are you man? You think if I icky my friend, tell us say icky? First thing no girl can put no icky for me. You mad?
What are you saying? So you say you're single. I am single too, so... What does that mean for you?
Very pretty and that one you talk about.
I'm a tree pit, I get you last thing for this in the day.
Tree pitney?
Oh, tree pit.
Look like you
2 girls and a boy.
And you look like you have one tree pitney one?
Yeah, all 3 kids. All of them natural birds. Yeah.
Tree angel I guess? Today me and Charlie, like we have 3 angel. Could be my angel too.
So you get kids?
Me? Yeah man, we get 2 kids man. How are you man? 2? Superstar, one for the left, one for the right.
2.
How are you? One Joshua, one David, and what a fully lynch breed.
Alright, Mr. Toppling.
And a seed. Alright, so what are you doing idea?
I'm actually going to visit a friend around the corner.
What's your friend and a phone? Can't get the number.
I don't have a phone right now.
Just tell me a number, man. I don't want your phone right now. I don't know more. There you go.
So you plan on taking me on a date or something? That's what you're asking for?
Whole of that check out already, babes, man. How are you, man? I'm set up link in all. I link them in my pocket in a baby. Don't be nervous, man. I'm around the place, man.
Okay, for something. Yeah, you know, I don't mind for guys. So I'm going to give you the chance because everybody deserves a chance. But in my book, not everybody deserves a chance, but the guy that I do like.
Your book, make a response for your book. Every page, don't mind him depend that.
Some of the rest of the page them.
I would man no page not tear up. I say every page, I mind him depend that. Top of the link. Make a something quaint. Right now, go tell me no man, okay, right now I have business to go deal with no. No one.
44.
434.
499.
499.
5.
Alright, that's it. Chosen, right?
Yes, I'm chosen.
Taken today.
Can you change my name?
Take care of yourself here.
I'm so happy. Nice to meet you.
Alright, baby. Alright, now you met me dear.
You met me now.
What? Come on, baby.
Bye. Jackson.
Oh, you're really sure? Yeah, I want to put me on the job with you. What's going on?
Oh, dear.
Where's that going on?
I don't tell you all going on. You know what I'm going.
What? What?
I'm just going to have some things I'm on, so it's really.
Oh.
So how's your day going on? Something different?
Yeah, I just have to run from the office because you said, see, they have the pen there, we have some, we write up some report, you know? But so I say I want to differently do.
I was going to tell you on the phone, we want a little fun to start on some stuff.
I say I want 50G. Because we tell you 5, I have to put 1 more 0 on it.
Yeah, because...
But I want a problem with you, but the thing is, the money not come over on the car, so I only have 5,000 probably now. You understand?
Yeah, man, yeah.
We don't have a problem that's money for you. Because you deserve money.
Yeah.
But you see, I told you before, I'm not a liar. I don't like to lie. I rather tell you a story than tell a lie. You understand? Good. So, let's see how I know. Because
so when you get the money, I start out the account or whatever, because I really want the money to do.
You don't worry about that money, 5 grand can must do what I want to do right now.
It's 5 grand can, you know 5 grand can, don't look how long I spend money from before my band. 5 grand can do nothing.
Do you know what 5 grand can do right now?
My ear.
It can buy, well, it can't really do not much, but
exactly my point. You can barely think of something you can do. But
you can buy a couple of tin mackerel and some rice, or you can buy
me a lunch. You can buy me a lunch, but you can't get more than that.
So when I buy alone, you can cook.
I can run a vote with it and tell my boss you go back home today, but you know you can't much. So you have to just start out and make me get a nice piece of food.
Right.
I miss you though, you know. I really miss you. Yeah, man.
I'm ready to start. I'm going to try to find. I'm not going to go still so that I go raw dog.
No.
No, me pull out, man.
No.
Listen. I will pull out.
No.
When you get 30 minutes, they pull out and go back and install again. Because I mean, run my boat, you know.
Yeah, I understand.
Right, so when the engine does feel like, burn up, we start the boat and cool down a little, you know. And then when we feel like everything gone back already and gone up again, we start it over.
But you know, if you don't have a life raft on top of the boat, you can go and see.
No worry about life raft, if you drown, no. What we are talking about?
You have to wrap it up because if you don't prepare for go on the mission,
You know, if you say if everything come with
fishing.
no, if I pick it up, no problem to me because I dropped some name.
Yeah, I know, but we just start getting on a certain level, we just want to keep it flowing, we just want to really, you know.
No, man, I don't want to this time, I don't float nothing.
Babe, we are going to find a condom. As a matter of fact, I'm looking at Baba, must say,
No, listen.
No, baby, to the sick.
Oh gosh.
Wake up, man. You're tired to wake up.
Oh, the one I know what I tell you say.
Wake up, man.
Oh God, the body there, bad.
Oh, no. I say you love it, so.
You broke you see a record, man. Oh God. Oh.
Tired, man. Take your time, man. Get up. Come and help you.
You know say, no girl never come so quick, man. Oh God. Why you been two bad wives? I hate that.
Yeah, I know you like that little style, that little new style. You know how long me save that style for you?
Oh God, have mercy. Boy.
But I really like you, Stephen. I really have. I love you, I like you, I love you. I have a lot of love for you. I'm a wife, I just continue to treat my good said way.
Yeah, man. I tell you about how you learn them style there. I never see a woman play kung fu in a bed, man. No.
My uncle did not want kung fu master, so I learned a couple moves on him, you know?
I couldn't hold him, I have to let it go, man. I have to just let it go in there, so shh.
Yeah. Girl bad like that.
Yeah, so you know, if you can't breathe, right?
I must get breathing, this is my active.
Make sure.
Well active.
Because you see, my youth is well strong. My youth move fast in a life. I'm like that. And you look like you don't know other man. You look like you're born as a virgin. And
no. You know, say you and the other guy, I tell you about, I want to talk to him. I said, me and the guy that they fight in a school and me recently break up.
You're frightened.
Yeah, before we meet you, no, baby, can't talk to somebody else but you.
No, but it still look like you're a virgin. Same way, man. I tell them what. Oh God. No wonder was.
Yeah, I didn't have a nice little piece of rush. Get up and sleep right after. I'm gonna notice something though. Tell me something. Where you come?
Which part you expect to come? I don't buy my bed. You see this sheet there? You know it's time. That's time I make you lay down this until everything settle and dilute.
You really love it, sure?
Yeah, man. I think I'm blank. Me and for a woman. You know, you say I broke you see on the record. I first one woman never collect my semen so quick.
Great.
You know?
So you have plans for me? You have big plans for me and something there?
Yeah, man.
You want to keep this a baby?
Yeah, man. Pick me easy for mine and I'll we make it look like you have for mine.
You sure?
Yeah!
This is what you want?
This is not overseas or we can walk on people's property and pick banana and act. This is Jamaica. We can crush banana butter. We can make little sugar and water. If
you're sure this is what you want, you want to take care of Pitney and be a great dad and all of that, I don't have a problem, but if you know you really don't want this child, just let me know.
No, I don't want the child, man. You ever mash your man, you think a potato you mash? Ah, whoa. And the same thing go on there, sometimes I said, it's a bad year. We don't want a bad year, it's a big car.
Yeah, because we see her go and we can tell she have a lot of fun or something.
But count every corner, pan you know, so if you make a man go in there, you go no.
No, I'm not.
The mark spot.
It's all yours, baby.
Okay.
All yours.
Can you see
Nobody
me?
else's.
I see why some
All yours, Daddy.
I see why man beat the one of these.
Yeah, all of that.
How then have a good woman and have a good couscous. Yeah. Anyway, the money now, I'll give you the 5 grand and then in the future I'll give you the 45, you know?
In the near future.
Yeah, man, near future I could have even run the car. But anyway, you know, but I'll go back office so you have to go. Now I account number you can transfer it to?
Yeah.
Alright, get ready.
I'll send you the info.
Yeah, get ready, one out.
Alright.
Back up the door, yeah, when I do it.
Alright then, later. Me call you when we reach them.
Look how long I take care of my money come, girl.
So me can't go on to Brittany.
See me, I tired of the house, people come out to the council now. Come,
Me can't in them
come,
hot
pass up
man.
my money, pass up my money, come.
Girl, stop going to girl, me get 5 grand.
No, I want it, no more want it. Because when the man did come, me never did tell the man, say, give me a little time. No, come with the money right now, I want
You could at
it.
least call me and say something to me, you know, before you give the man the money, say me have it. Me
Look
know
here,
I
now, you
mean.
don't argument with me, give me the money right now. Come now, hit with you here. Pass the money. You see, I go link your man. Yeah, your man work or what too. I'm sure. So you get the 5 grand. What you do with it? Take care and buy food and yam before you reach her.
Yeah, me need buy something, you know, that's straight for you. Me a call, make a phone call. Come on.
Every minute you want to make phone calls.
So when you want me to call until me get the money, girl?
Next side.
The phone a ring, just relax. You guys so answer phone, just relax.
You have no ambition at all.
I have ambition.
You not have none.
That's why I get through my soul.
Because you go up a man, you just want to go work out a little silver and the man no give you nothing.
Me tell you, the man work out?
Obviously, say that you go do. Obviously, because when the man call on the phone, the man say, oh, I'm going to take blue pill and work on phone because I get too hard, something like that.
Hello.
Yeah, hello?
Look how long me talk to you. I want to hear so much noise in your background. Why pray? What going?
So my sister there arguing something, no, where you go? You know what
Just-
just say I think about you?
So somebody there run for my mind same way.
Yeah, I don't know, something boy, I have a look about still, I don't know. I just can't stop thinking about it from my neck, it's just like, you know?
Where's the buzz on me now? Me put the bean a buzz now. What me say? Where you
Yeah,
going?
oh, buzzy.
Just call me say, why pray? Where you doing? You think
Yeah, no, not really. I know I'm just a favor, I didn't want to ask you. I don't like to ask for favors, no, but I'm like, you know, I really don't want difficulty right now.
how you put the F in a flavor in a man? I want the man any flavor you want, any color, any type, any taste. Where you say? Talk to me.
Yeah, so you want to say, oh, I look at 50 grams makeup and do something.
50 girls. Sure. Think a bigger thing there, that. Well, chum change that. Chum change that, man. What do you, man?
Yeah.
Don't worry about that, the man. Tell her why pray. Zine? Check my schedule. Watch your badness. Just call me tomorrow. By, I think around 7:30 day in time. Do you see pray?
Yeah.
I want you
really,
pray.
really appreciate that. You know?
I'm gonna send them an address. So you can't last. You see, and don't care, your sister don't have me hard, you know. Your sister love talk up for her mouth.
Hello, sir. Me address you right now. Hello.
Address me and your sister right now.
No.
Say
If
no,
you
No,
are
tell a man to know any limit, you know.
Yeah.
Address me and come down there. And you see who get address and adjust it.
so sweet boy, I'm patient, man. I'm
You know,
sister, you know, me and her get along all the time. But she cool, we get to like her over time.
You know want a man get to like me. No need to waste, man.
Like, get bright, girl, don't pass the place and make me meet the D nice, decent, man. You can't do that, girl.
Decent man wait.
Tell her watch her mouth. Come in and cut down your money, you know.
Me don't know your man from Adam. Stand, you don't call me name in your mouth. But don't bring your sister down. She sister, this said she want to come down in your yard. So I don't start with me here.
Tell her to calm down, because we don't work with Adams. Tell her say Iraq will come from.
Yeah, my sister and I, 2 different personalities. She more like the fire side, and I'm more like the calm side.
Yeah, just tell her say when then she talk, I want to talk about the man who Saddam because Iraq will work with. You see pretty.
Yeah, no care in the mind. She's young, you know, so I made all I want, so she can't really be immature. Right.
Wait there, man, because I know she'll kill me back.
So you say you send me the address?
Yeah, man, what's the address, man? I watch it pretty.
And I can pick it up tomorrow.
Just take 250 out there, man, and just buy her one bull and bag, just say pretty. You see your badness.
Me tell a man to my mom.
Alright, here, take care.
Me here, she said thanks in her background.
Yeah, she said she's really grateful.
Me here,
Alright, take
Look,
care
look,
now.
look,
See you
look.
soon.
Keep it up.
Alright, and thank you so much.
Yeah.
Alright.
You know, see,
That's
with
the
this
girl.
anyone in your family, then fit for man.
Girl, really, girl.
You look thinking, man, for the phone.
Come on, don't
chat
check it.
about
Don't
brother.
3, 4. That's what
I
the
can't
dirty
chat
man
about
when you call it there. You dirty man when I do nothing for you.
Look here.
Book, where? Book,
Do not say anything to me. I'll make sure so I get me 5
Yeah,
grand.
me I give you 10 grand, make you shut up.
Me no want no 10 grand.
No, me I give you 10 grand.
Want me honest money. Me no want no money from you. For you could not stinking waste man and where you get money from. Girl, don't start me
I'm
for
all the finance is a wicked
Don't
girl, is a
talk to me.
bad man sister. Where? You get your money and me I get with tax. Where y'all? Right. What a road can meet nobody else. Now. Sister.
You go on sister, me where money there.
I'm making honest I deal with Mr. Brittany.
I know how me I deal with
If
you.
I'm approach with your bright time, it's like you feel like
I
you're
will
more
how
than
you
my
treat
brother.
yourself, me have to deal with a certain way. We how you treat yourself,
How
so
I
me
treat
have to
myself,
deal with
Brittany?
you.
How I treat myself?
Like so, not about say a word. Just up front.
No, Brittany, try this off for me, Brittany. Because we all have to go at it. Try this off
Me
for me.
not
again.
decide for you. The truth is the truth, and truth will always be the truth. The truth hurts, and I know that. You don't have to tell me.
And if I'm going to still go on over?
So that must be 5 grand me I go on to over. Could have what then?
Girl, me I don't look.
If I give me money, we good.
I'm gonna pick up your money.
But you know what I'm
After today, no burn up the farm, me no beg me not even want sweet me now. But you
Me know.
mean girl and your corporate. Say,
Are you always a come to me come borrow things? Me no borrow things for you. Know some more independent baby love. Don't do it.
You know, so I kind of feel like, mommy kind of right. It's like you have to be one jacket. Is it a me a jacket or you? But what are we do? Something not fit, brother.
It's jacket,
You
you don't have
can't
to
be
be
you and your sister. That's how you are going.
Because I know nobody in their family stay like you. I know where you get this at.
I mean, nobody will stay like you either. Your worst sister, me I get too corrupt, brother.
Worst
Me I give you
sister.
5 grand to tell me. Tell me I give you a thing, pal.
Oh, me and worst sister
And
can
you
make
can't
the
eat
truth.
it. You can't eat the next time gonna be a gay band if eat it with your conscience, get too
Girl,
corrupt.
me tell you say 5, but me no want 10.
10 grand,
Five.
you give you?
Me no want you 10 grand. Me take care of 5. Hello.
Brittany,
You use the other 5 and you say clean.
And clean what?
You know if you clean with it. Oh. Girl, go on.
I
That's
don't
not
want
for the money I
disrespect
can't
you,
come give me. I
Brittany.
don't wait too long. Now because you're older than me, that means you don't want to come bully me. Don't do it. You bully for nobody. Kiss me teeth, yeah.
Something's happening in life, man. Let's say, look, baby, almost first I can for the stuff.
Yeah, man, stop talking about that, man. This is the place. See you pray. Watch you pray. So before me get inside, you know, say, hold it for money me again.
You can't
You know, yard man, stay. You can't come here yourself, you just cash and go on. So you have to perform and you have to perform good.
You're not
I
entertainer.
never tell up on the phone. But know this. Look, this a building here. And a non pram push thing. You know what I'm saying? And a non pram push thing. So nobody feel like, yeah, come get money in your hands and just go back. So no, baby. Things don't work, so.
So you
see me?
mean by that, so you're going so.
That me talk about somewhere you're going, cause you know what I'm saying? If you perform good. Over
You
here,
have to
so.
take my clothes, you're buying new ones. See
You
that?
see me can do it thing good, you see me? So you can get all the money and you can tip it on it.
But you're
So
supposed
free.
to more to take care of me. Because you see, I tell them for me to, you know, something boy. I feel like you're one good man and me, you can go far.
Until man far away. So what you bring? Oh, go in now. See?
You can't go on so bad.
Body
You know
deaf.
what? So you're talented.
What do you man? I always say talent in me, put it tea in a talent in a baby. I want you.
You make this feel, no.
Make sure you don't waste the money, you know.
You raise the money, I have ambition.
Alright, I
Like, I
remember.
have to buy important things. I'm going to tell my sister the look at change.
I remember you see a little rugrat chat him out, sister. I must buy her a bowl out of it and a bag juice.
Oh, God, you have to buy one balance. You can't leave my sister son and
And if she
sister.
go on like she too feisty, nothing.
No.
I can let them dry. Every time.
You soon get to like Britney. I shouldn't know why Britney.
Listen to me.
Britney too bright. It's education and stuff in our head.
Listen.
That is speech upon your phone and then chatting there and chatting. So I don't get to get.
It's just ignorance. I
Ignorant.
get a girl, a bright girl, you know? I go bright girl, come out, I get to make her a bright.
What if your
I
sister
bright
for
this
you?
one night
Is sister
family.
for you?
I'm a sister, I'm like a sister. I bright this one night family right now.
So she prefer different friends, sir?
Alright, because, alright, here's what.
How she do? Hungry sometimes?
No, how parents seriously, them raise people stupid, but me, you know, even the school thing, them take them something serious.
She don't look like she is.
But me,
She
no.
sound like she born big to how she chat and
No,
go like she know
me
everything.
just get unruly. And you know the streets are way, but she in the book thing serious. So my mother and father account and she just
was
in her
going to say
head, man, all
what
up in her
makes
head.
sense, cousin. She piss bed. Can people piss bed go on some face thing and sit in?
Jesus.
She piss bed.
A regular man I kick off. A regular man I kick off up there. But I'm not fight her because my sister, but me and I tell her my mind and she tell me her mind and we just...
Girl, Sunday much as a man in time, always a go on in the way. I'm here, baby man.
see. Take care of yourself.
I'm free, man. Tell her if you come give me a link on the day after you eat so we can change her little dirty ways in her, you know?
Girlie.
And pretty it up. You know what I mean? They don't play babes, man.
Not much.
I say look like nothing go on for her and so we can give her some little money that we may have thrown down on the floor in there.
Yeah, you can get money from my sister. Make sure it's right.
Nothing like that, man. How there, man?
I'm with you.
Hi, Nisi. Hi, Nisi. Hey, Nisi. Hi. Yes, smile. Papa don't stay like a mommy in life. Papa don't stay like a mommy here. He's a nice baby. No, me come like a mommy. You can like my finger now, baby. Yes, yes. Right. Yes. So you want?
Come if you want something to contact me.
Oh, it's Britney. Oh, in time I want something obvious.
Yes, I want something. I don't go make up and buy one thing if you did. I want instrument affair.
Whoa! No, sir. Oh, we rich man them there. You tell me, say. No, sir. We see one man. Wait there. How you be father there? How you be father there? I will be again. At all.
Rich man. Remember that?
Rich? I wish you were. I wish I'm on a brief again.
So you're clowning me?
No, I'm not that. Just somebody listen to me. Yes, baby. If my mother didn't listen, she would know who your father here. You know,
Don't have to make me know who my baby daddy.
Don't make sure
the man don't want mind the picnic. And I'm my father make him know I'm mind the picnic. Me give him red father, so.
no, you can't just take a picture and dash it on any man like that.
I don't know who breed me. See man that own a hotel.
Which one of them?
The one, the same one we go for the money.
Me don't know which one of them name the one.
Never mind one, I have to put one for the money.
Hey, I'm more than one of them I tell that story.
Girl, you give me money or not give me money? Because I'm sure they know carelessness come true.
Me and your sister and just because of you, let me tell you, it's not because of you me go get the money, and because of the baby. You see me? And my graduation I come up, but you're forward or not? Oh, because you can't come forward. No, you come in to look after so you can't go forward. Sorry, me know the baby I met 99 church. Hey, because of the money I can't come get it.
Thanks to sister, even though you're awful at she exchanging her, she come go like church, she have education, she more than. We used to go to school and take them for that sick. But too much stress on something sick, but just doesn't matter. Oh, but we can't still read and write, so I'm not with the name from Bola.
Here, the $50 US master. Could you say it, baby girl? Yeah, my mom. You come and grab me. Me take you back, you know. Because of you, baby.
No, because
of you, you know. Because of you, never. If I never you, mama would have doomed.
girl, Miss me think so rich out him. Girl, sometimes in life, you know, you see people on one stage and next thing they climb.
Look
You
here.
never know, you go to school or something, you never know, you
look
see
here.
something, you know, like, thanks to this. You
Funny
never know.
time, I tell me say I go rich out. Me rich right now because what? Me go graduate. Because I want something me they tell about. If they listen to me, You would have split in two for the two or one I would have get it.
I'm still happy for you. I know you have a lot of potential.
You happy for me?
You know me support you. Differently from a messed up.
Where you
you
use and support me? You have money?
I can give you good advice and I just financial support alone.
If you can, yes, I have good advice. And me, I'll get advice. No, baby love me. That's for you. Sorry, me love. Go and go buy the baby feed and make you start ball again.
So much a giant and I used to say when I want to run come and tell
Me not. I'm frank.
no, because everything you know me don't mean. And that's why you even give me the money come I always get things. You come
Always like give me what?
and when the man them a drop the food said where you name and laugh and drink and
When a man them buy like a 2-piece KFC, come give me 1 piece. So I chat boy.
By the time when such man buy buckets and when they all laugh and drink and then mash potatoes and can and
I have to show because I don't want the man feel no way. Oh.
anyways, thanks my sister and thanks to beat me down all the time too. I'm glad you graduate and you come up better than me.
I'm not understand. Now me I graduate how you wear the gown. Go on there, me girl. I wear shot then on this song.
You gonna put on your baby to sleep and then you go back.
No, you have to carry the baby with you.
I can't go to my night to bring me alarm for chain like a baby get look worse and then I go shop.
Come like a man hunt you with the pan and one can come and behind you.
Hundreds of thousands come give come a school book of jail.
Me no want none for you.
Me a chop a line.
Go and chop from the time me a chop the line you know you can't chop.
You know where you say?
No sir, good girl breed and all the line can't chop.
Listen, daddy I come. I see my come.
Dave, so go on.
Just to each one.
Yeah, no, me that. Compost. Pretty, sir. Yeah, top suck your finger. I'm telling you about the finger.
If you're glad to make your last name live on
Love
the
you, finger.
first nice daughter. I'm not kind of weird and real last name that you're composed.
Relax, biz, man. I want to man. I'm father. Give me that name, man. You know, say some last name, stay, man. Go compost. Pretty.
So like one breeder man name.
I want you. So, babes. Yeah, go because this year feel different right now, so more money more make and sit here.
Well, I say in 3 months right now because if I have things to get sorted out and you have your daughter now.
You go there, baby, I sleep in my sleep. Papa soon make you go sleep, okay? You soon go sleep, alright? Alright, look up us. You smile like daddy do. Can't see you get everything for me. Watch me nose, man. Tap the go to eye, my baby. Papa so make you go sleep. Papa so make you go sleep. Okay? Papa so make you go sleep. So you're going a different day. She eat already?
Yeah, she leaves earlier. But you know, she kind of run low on a few stuff. And that me like with you and make things run out before you ask me. You always ask me.
How dear, man?
That me like it because some baby father don't have conscience. You come and you ask if she eats, some baby father not do that.
Man, my baby they don't feel hungry for too long, man.
And that me respect boy.
What dear, man?
As a baby father.
Listen, make sure from out the gate.
Yeah.
Listen, my baby, from out the gate.
Coming out, she have time when she see
Take
you.
out the piece of food for gain, I'm telling you, you see me? The toast chop today, cause I go up and make you down the machine full up, you see me? Can't take a long line business, you know my style. Some of the people in the line frowns and see me just come from work and
don't pull it.
can't take a smell something. So what you pray?
Yeah.
Hold this up. Buy some things. And if you shorter, yes, yes, recompense. Buy, purchase, yes. You purchase some things, you just go to home, see if you shorter nothing from one nothing more, you know, so then go on the card. Drive out and go on the card, make you get some more, you see me?
You good otherwise, no?
Go on, man, promise me like a baby, I'm like a baby, alright. To the baby,
You want one
to the
more?
baby,
You want one son?
to the baby.
You don't want a son?
Calm down, man, just push me every minute, no matter. I don't do what bank account.
No.
I want to miss some
expensive. Yeah, she said she wants a brother.
I'll get your brother. Oh, I'm gonna get your brother. It's okay. It's okay. I'm gonna get your brother.
She's so
So
sweet.
tell you what. There are some good things deal differently, you know. Tell you what. You mean come back as a free. Oh, you don't watch me and mommy, sir. You don't watch me and mommy, sir. Papa go in.
Protective of her mother.
Papa go in.
On the way out.
Bye bye. Yes. Finish
She's
now.
gone, yeah.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye, your campus.
Bye-bye.
Ta-ta. Papa love you. See you pink like a papa.
Bye-bye.
Like a papa.
Tell her bye-bye.
Pink.
Tell her bye-bye.
Pink like a papa.
Tell her bye-bye.
Say what?
Bye-bye.
Say to papa. Say to papa. Papa best word. What?
What?
What? Ah, papa love you. Bye bye.
Alright, later, babe. Take care.
Alright.
See you later. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. It's mommy.
Yes, mommy. What you see, you is a dirty man. You come and chat about kiss mommy. If I'm like, people would have shame for calling my mother.
Girl, how come I never come about me and come so strong like?
No, me have to come boy and come strong, of course, because what? Yeah, take the picnic and I give to different man, but your father this say your father that day. Every man come here and pick the father. Girl, pick, choose and refuse. You try to pick the father quicker and fast. Because it's a picnic like a big idiot right now.
So girl, people
Yeah, treat the picnic like she a pass round donkey.
You have stepfather, grandfather, father, great-grandfather, great-great-grandfather.
Me not talk about the great and the grand them.
Fathers. So when you mean the pretty get too far wrong with that, but you have 2 than 1.
Oh, 2 than 1. I can't wait till they find out here that you are dope.
That's the thing they not find out.
That's the thing they not find out. Don't worry yourself. You see, you is a wicked girl. Me shame for call my sister. This a pity. I'm shame for call you. Yeah, mother.
I'm like, all those come Brittany. What make you?
Me not coming along all those for you. Because me feel away. Me say you're my sister. I take a picnic and I give to every man I pick the father.
Feel away if you know, so you tell like my sister. You see it? You see it? You make my baby father come here. Why?
Me I practice once for school.
Yeah. Yeah, and the school good. You see it and hit me and say
pajama class.
What go on with that, sir?
Like that?
You get the bicycle?
Yeah, you have a bicycle and she
The picnic can't
Yeah, we give her money for the
Then she
bicycle.
practice for the bicycle.
Oh, the bicycle, you can pick bicycle eh?
Give her my child clothes.
Oh.
So,
Nothing there.
how is school?
Eh?
How is school?
School is okay. It treat me nice.
Oh, good.
Very.
Like,
And my son graduate too.
wow, I'm proud of you.
Congratulations. I'm proud of my sister.
Man, that is really good. Instead of party.
Some people make you compare me now. What about comparison? You know, proud of your big mother.
Yeah, I'm proud of the youth, but at least look, education is good.
So I don't. Then you like my brother with my name on it and me eat it. What you mean?
You know, buy a bowl yet from me know myself.
Exactly. So don't do that.
Clap your hands, baby. Alright. Clap, congrats. Happy for auntie, not you?
Yeah, she has a hair auntie.
Yes, baby, auntie. Yeah.
Why? To your mother alone to the one hairstyle. I'll do it like say one hairstyle right through. Right through. Right through. Why? Eh?
I but sorry, I was say rich. Change of hairstyle or change of people in my hairstyle.
Oh, my father don't rich.
Sorry.
And
No, I'm not talking about that. I asked if I like.
no, me here say and which one
Education pack up in your head.
Some things that slip out.
Study, yeah man.
Come ready, we count too much money we want back right now.
Hey! Where should I find it from?
Huh?
Where should I find it from?
She good man, she have money, she tell me say she have big job.
I'm glad you graduated still. I'm glad she
What she said she
She said she get subject and she have big job.
She have big. Oh yeah, she have a big job for true.
And she get her money.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
You're probably big brother.
I got me come over here.
I'm gonna look for your daughter.
So what money you get?
Huh?
What money you get?
The money still a processing your account. But say it take at least 3 to 5 working days to process certain amount of funds.
I feel like you're a girl, me like how we used to talk to you, you know. I feel like
Oh,
I
so you
said,
used to go around me?
No,
No, because you just said something. No, it seems that
I
when you're
twisted the tongue, twisted the tongue.
Oh, I thought we were
So
on
wait,
something right there.
Money you go give him?
Huh?
Money you give him?
No, me not. Me have money to give him. Go and to your father. Go and sleep to share pay.
You alright?
General.
Watch out.
She don't want to go to daddy.
Hey.
She don't want to go to daddy. If they don't want to go to daddy.
Where's that 10%?
So sorry. I want the baby don't want to go to you now.
Some Brittany, I can't wait. So I was talking about give the space and keep spending time. If I get this off some of this.
So when you can't bring him go inside.
Hold on.
Go to mama.
Because
Baby, no.
You hardly can look for your picnic papa.
Maybe I can't head no look, you kind of feel scared from that.
I'm a new man.
Sorry, man, you like one of my brother. You remember my brother when I look at Brittany.
Oh, we brother.
Yeah, you know, like our brother. We're all our brother.
So, when you don't do it,
Mommy first picnic, like a mommy first picnic, and kind of look like.
I wonder if I hear mine, you know. You know? Yeah,
What do you mean by I wonder, baby daddy? What you mean?
Huh?
What do you mean by I wonder? Baby don't look like a you.
Sometimes I saw nightmare.
I want in-house DNA test. What do you right now? I want in-house DNA test. The one you can do from home. You just test the saliva. You want to do the in-house DNA test?
In-house? I'm not just in-house.
Because me like the remarks that they have.
Saliva put on and wait for me to just...
Stop being negative. Because I don't know something. When I really have somebody saliva with, you know, so you're not going to dry up and just have it put on and wait.
No, you can't put it in the fridge.
I'm going to with that, man. Yeah, see your daughter and the daughter know I love you. All the cock off ears and me have. It's a pity I can't. See, she laugh because she know the truth.
Laugh with daddy and baby. Up there with daddy.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Anyway, I'm proud of you still.
Thank you.
So when you're going for your child too?
I'm not ready as yet.
You can't say that you have to breathe up the island. You have
So
to...
let me ask you a question, sir. Post me.
No,
Okay.
it's not forced.
Love my sister now.
Me never hear come-
I'm not like when you talk to my sister.
never hear
You come
come-
to me,
So me can ask you a
baby,
question?
talk to my
Sure.
sister.
Are you first child?
Huh?
Are you first child?
No,
Can we keep it down about clean neck? Me ask you a question. Are you first child?
She number 14.
Box said on you didn't get number 14. Oh my. Number 14. Oh my baby, number 14.
Number 14. That's okay for them take care and picking her no matter which one. But Brittany, why make it so negative? Brittany, why is so negative?
How much jacket have you had?
No, make up your mind. We are jacket. Physical
I
jacket
be a
or
suit
jacket.
you have.
No, like suit you have.
in closets. That's so.
What jacket you have?
Listen, my last name is Jackson. I can never get jacket.
Okay, Mr. Jackson.
Right, Mrs. Jackson?
Mrs. Jackson.
Yeah, Mrs. Jackson. Little Jackson.
How do I come up and say sister man?
Because she's
That's why you know why she going so because she don't have a man. I feel like she look a bit jealous too.
Me not jealous, me can't just hear your man.
Sit down, baby, father, come
So
here.
you can beat me on WhatsApp sometime.
We disrespect your excuse.
No,
in
I
front
mean-
of my sister,
I
right?
mean, no, me better, you know you have a sister-in-law.
You said being you, you
Where
said being
you
your brother, you said being you.
What are you doing? You know? No, Jackson, you're upset now because me notice if you come here now, you have pick conversation with her. Look at your body language now. Check me out. Check me out. No, check me out now. Look at the direction that your body is facing into. Right in front of my sister. You come about me and look at me. What do you mean?
Look where everybody is language is for them. Me want to get communication to my daughter. You know they have about
See there, all the baby and Spencer. That's why she a crying.
She alone that there with the baby. Me don't know where you left the baby gone in our work. That is the thing in our work. How much I clock at night, they call. Your phone there and you're gone and the baby there. Me don't understand you left me and you left phone with the baby to watch cartoon.
My sister is capable of taking good care of the baby. Me have to go up on the road sometimes and do a little hustling.
Sister busy most of the time, so I said, sister.
What kind of hustling? I know when the woman there do pan.
No, Mama say sometimes I do here. Mama say
you
here can't help myself. So sometimes I get a little here.
Me have one night for the church of yourself.
You crazy?
If I feel like church, she has like Camille told you.
Huh?
What?
Where's that?
Really gonna get something to eat. Go rig up your ass.
Yeah, no problem.
Bring you like a style, you know?
Never because of their front of your man that me say can't pull me.
You like my man? You like my man?
Me not like
No, because you slung yourself.
Me not feel like
Slung
someone
a size up.
me not want to scare crumb and no lady. Oh.
Alright, yeah. I going send some money from use.
Yeah, because she want a couple of stuff now, babe. And the baby makes you come spend time with
Yeah,
you.
bye. Yeah.
She know you're going.
Right.
She's smart. You have to spend money on her.
You're mine.
Yeah, and she's just she's smart like her father.
Number 14. Oh.
I'm not buying 14 in a cash box.
Let
I don't know how much you have, Jackson.
Mom, bird number 14. Come here,
Come on,
baby.
good auntie. Good auntie. Go on to auntie.
She don't want to come to me now.
No, you don't want to go?
Come to auntie, baby.
No.
Oh, God.
Uh-oh.
God.
Because you just cuss me out and try this stuff for me. May I go through too much things in life, Brittany, for you once.
Anyway.
In front of
Then
your
come by
father.
later.
We just transfer 6 grand to your account, so. Buy
6
up.
grand, Jackson. 6 grand.
14, I give it. Me give him the most. Actually younger. The rest of them big can and banana and dumpling.
Me put the rest funny, everything good. And you know me hardly.
By law, government says 6 grand a week for children and me give you 6. But you need to put 3. The parents put half and half. Me put the whole like. So anything else, fine.
So you know you're a good father, that's why you're going so. You know you always deliver money on time and something you give me overs. But you're not for the one, so don't come to more government say.
14 of them. We don't want to end up at
Nice seeing you
4,014.
that you stop by and check on your daughter.
And next time, if you say you left this house at night with the baby, yeah. I mean, call your phone. I mean, you go with mistake and say, da, you know, the day. We find anyway, da, you know. It seems like you want one more, not get one more.
You threaten me, Jackson?
Not get one more picking man.
No, it takes my body still for a look good and some girl look good. No bother with me, you know. No bother with me, because you have too much thing already you want to come bring me. What you plan to do for me in life? I want to start a business, something. Because you can't
Alright.
you can't pick me and you don't plan to help me in life.
I'm a good
No
father.
ambition.
And a baby daddy. I check Mr. Chin and buy a couple of box drinks and some bag juice.
Sister,
and some
come
sweeties.
here there.
And start off with it, yeah?
Sister.
Wait, don't let him. My sister come me now. Wait.
No, me have to go.